This is how real Mexicans get that fire started. Oil! Tell them out here. It's taking...
Oh! We're on fire!
We got the court gesture sitting on the right.
Oh, don't choke.
It's the Desky coming through, fuck it. Sitting in the motherfucking drop bucket. Fuck it. You already know. Big C, Big Desky, steal the show. That's the way we've been doing it ever since. Pippin' since been shit. You know how we get lit, get thrown, get all of the above. Niggas, y'all already know. It's the motherfucking C, man. We gon' do it smooth. If y'all be talking, niggas, you ain't doing nothing but hating, and we don't fuck with that. Here you want something and we gon' bring it back. It's the fucking C, man, it's the damn Desky. Y'all already know, make a nigga relocate Tallahassee. Send a nigga bye-bye, niggas know we fly by, drive by with the bitches by side. Hold up, yo, we gon' get it in. Nigga talking, never use a this the freestyle off the top, nigga, what y'all think? Big C making all the hoes think. Hold up.